Hello, good morning students. Today we will study the new periodic property, that is electronegativity. Electronegativity. This is a new periodic property, that is electronegativity. Electronegativity is represented by this one, ये and this one. It is called chi. It is called chi. Electronegativity is represented by chi. But the topic is, what is electronegativity? It is a measure. It is a measurement of attracting the bonded electrons by the atom in a molecule. It is a measurement of attracting the bonded pair of electrons, or it is a shared pair of electrons by an atom in any molecule. It is, and the definition will be the tendency of attracting bonded pair, or you can say shared pair of electrons, shared pair of electron towards itself, by an atom in a molecule is called electronegativity. It is a tendency, you can say the tendency of attracting the bonded pair of electrons, or you can share pair of electron towards itself by an atom in a molecule is called the electronegativity. Repeating again, it is the tendency of attracting the bonded pair, or you can say shared pair of electrons towards itself by an atom in a molecule is called electronegativity. Now I am going to explain by an example. For example, in a homoatomic molecule, in case of homoatomic molecule, for example, Cl2, H2, whatever. Suppose in case of hydrogen molecule, there are two atoms of hydrogen which are bonded with a single covalent bond. At the shared pair of electron will be located the, you can say, middle of the bond length. What is the bond length of this one? Bonded pair of electron will be present at the center position. But in the case of, for example, heteroatomic molecules, for example, HCl molecule. In case of HCl molecule, the shared pair of electrons, in case of HCl molecule, shared pair of electrons are not present at the middle, but they are shifted towards the chlorine atom. Because chlorine has a tendency to attract the bonded pair of electron or the shared pair of electron towards itself. Although it is a single covalent bond, but the bonded pair of electrons are shifted towards the chlorine atom, creating the partial negative charge and partial positive charge in the HCl molecule. In this way, polarity is created. And further, I want to clarify the difference between the electron gain enthalpy and electronegativity. In the case of electron gain enthalpy, the electron is added into isolated neutral gaseous atom that is not bonded. you can say the electron is added into the isolated neutral gaseous atom. But in the case of electronegativity, the bonded pair of electrons are attracted by the atom in a molecule. It is a case of atom which is bonded, not separated. That is why electronegativity is the tendency to attract the shared bonded pair of electron, not a single electron, bonded pair of electron towards itself in a case in molecule. And electronegativity is measured by Pauling scale. There is a Pauling scale. You can see the electronegativity of the elements are measured by the Pauling scale. And in the Pauling scale, according to Pauling scale, fluorine is the most electronegative element. In the element, fluorine is the most electronegative element, and its in Pauling scale, its electronegativity is 4, while the francium, cesium and francium, which are present in the first group, are least electronegative element. Cesium and francium are least electronegative element. Fluorine is the most electronegative element. Cesium and francium are the least electronegative element, which are present in the alkali metals. The factors which affect the electronegativity of the elements, these are the 3 factors which affect the electronegativity of the elements. First one is state of hybridization. The state of hybridization, oxidation state of the element, and nature of the substituents attached to the atom. These are the 3 factors which affect the electronegativity of the element. Now you can take a screenshot of this one. Now I will explain the effect of each factor on the electronegativity. Students, this is a chart of some compounds, like this is methane, ethylene, and this is acetylene. Alkane, alkene, alkyne, and the hybridization present in the compound sp3, sp2 and sp. Total 100%. Divide sp3 means s character 25% and p character is 75%. sp2 100 is divided by 3, you can say 33% s character and 66.66% p character. In acetylene or alkyne, sp hybridization 50% s character, 50% p character. More than s character. Now listen to the sentence. More than s character in all these compounds, methane, ethylene and acetylene, s character is highest in the case of acetylene, because in acetylene, as you can say, in which triple bond is present. In the case of acetylene, there is a triple bond. Ethylene, there is a double bond, and in the case of alkane, there is a single bond. The compound in which triple bond is present, S character is more. Highest, you can say, more the S character, more its electronegativity and more its acidic nature. It means the carbon atom which is sp hybridized, is more electronegativity, rather than the sp3 or sp2. This is the effect of hybridization on the electronegativity. More the S character, more its electronegativity, because S character is maximum in the case of sp hybridization. That is why the carbon which is sp hybridized is more electronegative. The second factor which affects the electronegativity is oxidation state. Oxidation state also affects the electronegativity. The element which has higher oxidation state is more electronegativity. I mean to say, higher the oxidation state, more its electronegativity state. Higher the oxidation state, more its electronegativity. More its electronegativity. For example, halogen, for example chlorine. In case of halogen, we take the chlorine. Chlorine has oxidation state -1 to +7 is the different compounds. In some compounds, chlorine has oxidation state of -1 also. In some state, chlorine has oxidation state of +5, +7, etc. That is why we can say when it is -1, -1, +5, or it has oxidation state of +7 also. The chlorine atom, when it is bonded with the oxygen, it generally has the oxidation state of +5 or +7. When chlorine is bonded, you can say when in any compound, when the compound, I mean to say when chlorine has oxidation state of -1 in certain compound and chlorine has oxidation state of +5 in certain compound, the chlorine which has oxidation state of +5 is more electronegative than the -1, and chlorine when it has oxidation state of +7 is most electronegative.